Hey guys, welcome back to the Apple Talks. So today we are gonna be talking about the Swift extensions. So extensions are like ability to add a new functionality to existing class. Isn't it amazing? Actually, this is very much amazing, and I've been using this since couple of years. So without wasting time, directly let's jump to the Xcode. If you are a new viewer or if you are just a fresh developer, then don't forget to subscribe the button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Let's directly jump to the Xcode now. So I have already set up the project. I'll be explaining all this stuff later on the video, so make sure you are watching video till the end of the tutorial. Now without wasting any time, let's directly see how to create extension. You just have to write the keyword extension and then the class name. Let's say I'm going to extend the string with any of my own functionality, so I need to write extension string. Now I want to add a function to the string class, so I'll say function might be okay, remove white space. This function should return the string. So I have a function ready that should do the job of removing the white space. Now what I have to do is just write logic here. Self, which would be the definitely the object of string, dot. Let's use the native trimming characters here. Trimming characters in. Then the white space and the new lines. And I have to write the return here. Oops, what a good day. So we have the extension ready with function called remove white space. Now, why did I do that? Because if I don't want to use the extension, then I have to use this line every time, and this is a bigger line. So I wanted to have the smaller line function, so I can use that for my use anywhere. I just have to create a let str test. Okay. Now I just have to write the function dot remove white space. You can see this is the extension function that we just created a couple of seconds ago, and that is now added to the string family. So the basically extension were created to ease up the job of the developers, but as of now everybody is using it. So let's go and directly see what kind of extension you can create and what I have created for myself. So I have created this okay, so these are the bunch of extension files that I'm using on my day-to-day development lives. Let's start with the generic one. I'll make sure to be quick here. This is the generic extension file that I'm using for myself. These are the extension of URL, which contains getting attributes, getting the file size of URL, the file size into the string, and the creation date. Also, this is quietly common for me because I'm a guy who like to play with threads more often. So I've created an extension for my dispatch queue, which I can use whenever I want to do that. Then I have extension of ph asset. These are the okay. So hold on. These are the variables that I have added to the extension, and here we added function to the extension. The process is same for both. Doesn't matter you want to add a variable or a function, you have to follow the same process. Then I have variable of image for the ph asset. Then I have created again extension of av URL asset to get the file size. Then these are all extensions that I've been using for the string, like the path extension, large path component, customer string, convert string to date, date from string, blah 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 blah. I'll be uploading this to my GitHub. Oh, I think I have already uploaded this to my GitHub. I'll be sharing the link into the description, so you can directly go to my GitHub public repository and clone the source code. So let's jump to the next one. This is very good. Whenever I'm working with any media application, it was always difficult to see whether user is playing any video or not. So that's why I have created another extension. It tells me whether a player is playing or not. Then I have data to hacks. Then I have the button, the set badge. If you want to have any badge based to the UI buttons. Like if you are building application, when you have cart and you want to show 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of items to the cart button, then you can do that. And this is basically the dictionary font, US called view inside. Let's go to the here, the date. This is for the date basically. You can see there are a number of functions available to the date and the localization. This is very good. If you are working with localization and you want to directly give the localization string from the storyboard, then you can use it. If you want to do that, what you have to do is just go to the storyboard. Just add the let's try with going with label. Let's assume I have localization enabled to this product, and I'm gonna add the localization key to label. Then I have to add it here. Maybe LBL lock me. That's fine. Now this will fetch the localization value associated with the same key from the localization file. So you don't need to create IB outlet for unnecessary labels, or it could be anything. I think the rest are very easy to understand, so I'll be skipping it, and I'll be directly jumping to my GitHub page where I can show you that I have already uploaded the source code. Ta-da! This is that, the Apple Talks, and you just need to go to the shortcodes, and here it is. Everything is available here. Guys, this is just part one. I'll be updating this repo each month, so make sure to follow the repo and just give me the rating. Thank you so much. Have a good day.